Good afternoon, Monday afternoon that is, 5 o'clock. It's dark already, but believe it or not, days are getting brighter. But this is how it gets when we're this far north. Anyways, we're headed towards the boat and we will check up on yesterday's epoxy work. I hope it all turned out good and that it can be left without further ado. We will then proceed with the second of the forward bulkheads. If you remember, we only got to do the forward one against the water tank. So just a couple of more minutes and we're in the harbour. See you there. Okay, so we're in the boat. And first look of things, still standing. That's a good start. And let's see if it's actually cured. Temperature here now is 10 degrees on the centigrade scale, at least towards the ceiling. So we'll have a look at this. And it's not sticky, at least, and that's a good thing. I can't really determine if it's cured all the way through, but I think it is actually. We'll leave it at least for a few more days with heating on. Temperature is supposed to drop outside as well, so tomorrow they're reckon -8. Yesterday was +2, so that's why we got it done yesterday. Seems alright. Seems alright. Next will be the second of the forward bulkheads. I just went ahead and prepared it here, latched it in place with this, and I put a coating of the 610 thickened epoxy just along the bottom edge there, and that's on the opposite side. So we'll mix up some epoxy then and basically do the same here as we did on the other side. Just make an L flange all the way up the inside. We've got some heating going here as well. So let's get to work. Okay, so the epoxy is on, and also the L flange is on. Let's see if it's even possible to see. Get some light in here. Okay, so here we go. I guess like being hard to see is a good thing. It's in at least. And then onto this heater over here. I'm pretty happy with that. And also we have the 610 going all the way along here. Nice and neat. So we'll see tomorrow if it's cured. I hope so, being fucking cold outside. And we also got our protective breathing equipment on today, the PBEs. We were a bit lazy on that yesterday, so if we're dumb and stupid in a week's time, that's why. Bye bye. Okay, it's Saturday, and it's the most important Saturday, or any day really, in this project. I presume it's the day for these jacks to come down and to see if the bulkheads will hold. And also if the roof itself will hold. It's scary. So if it goes bad, that's the way out. And there's also an exit up there, which is open. Så hvis det går til helvete, så nører du ikke. Han er rett ut.
Ja.
Okay, so we start by taking off these. these pieces here were just to, as we glued these teak trim pieces on, to keep pressure on them while the glue was curing. There's a wee pencil there, a wee brush, epoxy brush. And it would be nice to get these out of the way as well, so I don't have to be a fucking circus artist every time I'm going through there. At least it's a lot better with only 2 and not the 3 or 4 we had earlier. Okay, which side to go first? Doesn't really matter, does it? Okie dokie, here we go. And I expect there to be some noise from this. For fuck's sake. Oh, I'm almost shitting myself. Didn't really check if these were on though, but I'm curious that's if they are. This is loose. This is loose as well. Woohoo! That's one down. God almighty, help us all. Yep. Is it actually? Yep. Seems alright to me. Fucking hell. Okay, did I go up and jump? Oh my god. Yeah, we'll call that a success, I think.